Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome LO4. Understand how a contract may be breached. Today, we will learn what happens when a contract is breached. Understanding the different types of breaches is essential for determining the appropriate legal outcomes. This session will explore the various forms of contract breaches and the remedies available to the party affected by the breach. A breach of contract occurs when one party fails to perform their obligations. This can lead to various consequences. The nature and severity of the breach determine the remedies available. There are different types of breaches, each with distinct effects. Knowing these types helps in seeking appropriate remedies. There are several types of contract breaches. An actual breach occurs when obligations are not fulfilled on time. An anticipatory breach is when a party indicates non-performance before it's due. A repudiatory breach undermines the contract's main benefit. Each type affects the contract differently. An actual breach happens when a party fails to perform as required. This can involve non-performance or defective performance. The severity determines if the contract can be terminated. If a condition is breached, termination is possible. Otherwise, only damages may be claimed. Anticipatory breach occurs when a party indicates they won't perform. This can be explicit or implied through actions. The innocent party can terminate immediately or wait. If they wait, they must be ready to perform. This allows for early mitigation of losses. A repudiatory breach is a serious breach of a fundamental term. It deprives the innocent party of the contract's main benefit. The innocent party can terminate and claim damages. If the breach is not fundamental, the contract remains. This type of breach affects the entire contract. Breach of terms depends on whether it's a condition, warranty, or innominate term. A condition breach allows termination and damages. A warranty breach only allows for damages. An innominate term depends on the breach's consequences. Understanding these terms is crucial for determining remedies. When a contract is breached, remedies are available. Damages compensate for losses. Specific performance enforces obligations. Injunctions prevent further breaches. Understanding these remedies helps in seeking justice. Each remedy has specific applications. Damages are monetary compensations for losses. Compensatory damages cover actual losses. Consequential damages cover indirect losses. Nominal damages recognize breaches without loss. Liquidated damages are pre-agreed amounts. Equitable remedies address breaches beyond monetary compensation. Specific performance enforces contract terms. Injunctions prevent or require actions. Rectification corrects contract errors. Rescission cancels the contract. Restoring parties. These remedies ensure fairness. Specific performance compels a party to fulfill obligations. It's used when monetary damages are inadequate, common in unique items like real estate, not granted for personal services. Requires fairness and no undue hardship. Injunctions prevent or require specific actions. Prohibitory injunctions stop actions. Mandatory injunctions require actions. They are granted when breaches cause harm. Courts ensure the remedy is just and equitable. Rectification corrects errors in written contracts. It ensures the contract reflects true intentions. Granted for mutual or unilateral mistakes. Requires clear evidence of the mistake. Ensures fairness in contractual agreements. Rescission cancels the contract, restoring parties to original positions. used in cases of misrepresentation or fraud. It allows recovery of work value if terminated early, ensures fairness by undoing the contract. Courts aim to restore parties to pre-contract status. Quantum meruit compensates for work done before contract termination. It applies when a contract is partially completed, ensures fair payment for services provided, common in construction or service contracts. It prevents unjust enrichment of one party. Liquidated damages are pre-agreed amounts for breaches. They provide certainty and avoid disputes. Enforceable if they reflect genuine loss estimates. Courts uphold reasonable clauses. They prevent excessive penalties. Penalty clauses impose excessive payments for breaches. They are not enforceable under UK law. Courts consider them unfair and contrary to compensation principles. A clause is a penalty if it exceeds genuine loss estimates. Commercial justification can uphold clauses. Damages compensate for losses using various methods. Expectation loss covers expected benefits. Market value considers price differences at breach time. Loss of enjoyment compensates for non-economic losses. Courts ensure fair compensation. Calculations depend on specific case factors. Several factors affect damage calculations. Causation requires direct loss links to the breach. Foreseeability limits damages to predictable losses. Mitigation requires minimizing losses. Courts balance these factors for fair outcomes. Understanding them aids in seeking appropriate compensation. Remedies for breach include damages and equitable solutions. Compensatory and consequential damages address losses. Specific performance and injunctions enforce or prevent actions. Rescission and rectification ensure fairness. Courts aim to restore injured parties to pre-breach positions. In conclusion, a clear grasp of contract breaches and the remedies available is essential for anyone engaged in contractual arrangements. Remedies range from monetary compensation to equitable measures designed to address loss and prevent unfair outcomes. Courts aim to place parties in the position they should have occupied had the contract been properly fulfilled, ensuring fairness in the resolution process. By recognizing the various forms and implications of breaches, individuals and organizations are better equipped to pursue suitable remedies and protect their contractual rights. Such understanding strengthens the reliability and enforceability of contractual obligations. Should you require help, contact us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. Our team is eager to support you. Thank you, and see you soon.